everybody, Jama Malmi here. As you may know, this past summer I was a creative presenter for Close to My Heart's convention. So in June, I got a big box of goodies from Close to My Heart, all of the new stuff, and I had to keep it a super secret, and it was so hard. And then convention happened in July, and all of the makers got to see what I made and all of the new products, and it was super exciting. Well, now I get to share all of those products with you. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing of everything that I got in my convention presenter's box. So every presenter got different products to work with. So of course my box is going to be different than another presenter's box, but I thought it would be fun to have a little insight as to what we get in these boxes to work with. So let's go ahead and dive in, and keep in mind that I didn't know anything about the new colors or products or anything like that. So I basically went in blind. I didn't know anything more than what might have been printed on the products, and not even everything was printed because I had some prototypes. So join in on the fun and let's see what I got in my box.
All right, you guys, I'm so stinking excited to open this box. I can't even handle it. I haven't even peeked before taking the video to show you. This is my box that I got as a virtual convention presenter. Brand new stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this stamp set. First thing I see, I'm in love. Oh my gosh, so cute. New Distress Oxide color. That is so exciting. I love playing with Distress Oxides. Okay, so coordinating cardstock as you grow. Lots of cardstock. Oh my goodness. Look at those colors. So here's As You Grow. I knew very little before getting this. I knew I was getting baby themed paper. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is the baby themed paper or not, but look at that. So it might be, because one side could be more boy and one side could be more girl, but this is totally not just baby. Okay, look at the stars. I love stars. So awesome. So this is kind of like the current core catalog papers. This might be a core catalog paper, which has more patterns than a typical paper pack. And one side is more masculine and one side is more feminine. But look at this. Plaid. I love it. Wow, this is going to be fun. Okay, so this is As You Grow, and the colors are Charcoal, Glacier, Harbor, so there's a new color, Linen, Mocha is new, Mulberry is new, New England Ivy, Papaya is new, Paprika, Sangria, and Sapphire. Okay, so I've got a couple paper packs of that. So here is a paper pack with sticker sheet. Okay, so now I know why I was told this is a baby theme, but this is so not just a baby theme. Like, you can definitely add, you know, ABC baby, some baby words, smile, giggle, dream, play, but this is definitely not, I would not see this as a baby pack, but you can totally use it as one. So here's a close-up at the stickers. Such beautiful colors. I am so excited to play with this. All right, so I've got a few packs of that. I have lots to create with. That is awesome. Okay, so here's some thin cuts. Slimline thin cuts. That is going to be super cute. That's going to be a lot of little holes to pop out of my thin cut. But that's going to be super fun. And this would be great for embossing too, using my embossing mat in my die cut machine. to just make a pattern on the slimline cards. That's super exciting. Okay, birthday. Okay, so build a cake. That is going to be super fun with the matching thin cuts. So you've got the thin cuts for your cakes and your cake stand, and these are just basic shapes. And what's great, these look like these are the same size, these are the same size, so that you can run it through in one pass, 2 stamped images in one pass instead of having to keep running it through. I love that. All right, this is an heartfelt wreath. These are, some of them are like prototypes, so I don't always know exactly what they're called. But those are wreaths with matching thin cuts and laurels and really pretty sentiments. Look at the little like sparkles. Super cute. I love that these are different sizes. Okay, birthday borders, that is fun. And thin cuts. So the thin cuts can double as just standalone thin cuts on their own. Look at that pretty scallop. That can totally be used on its own. These ones could be, but they're probably better suited to use. Oh my gosh, look at these are balloons. That is super cute. I love the flowers and the cupcakes. I love this. Really cute, cute. This is called Festive Borders. Okay, another Distress Oxide Mermaid Lagoon. Pretty, pretty. A new shimmer brushes and sprays. Okay, so I've got gilt and white. That is super exciting. I love the sprays. That's gonna be fun. Okay, and whoops, these are shimmer brushes that are not put together. Ooh, I see some bright pink in there. So exciting. These are shimmer brushes that are not put together yet. This is how they come. Okay, I have no idea. Are they all, they must all be this pink. Okay, so they're just not put together yet. This must be the color of the year, because I've got a lot of pink in here. Okay, I've got some new shimmer trim. This is a light coral. There's Harbor, mulberry. So this must be papaya. And the red. Oh, and I missed. There's also scarlet shortbread. So shortbread's a new color. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. It could be scarlet because I don't think we have a scarlet yet. This blue looks like it could be Harbor. I don't know yet. And the green. Not sure. We'll have to see on those. I'm not sure what the colors are called. I didn't get that. Oh, here's another one. Pretty. So that, maybe that's shortbread. I don't know. By the time you guys see this, you're going to know more than I do because I have nothing to go off of. I'm just sent the colors. How pretty. My daughter's going to go nuts. My 7, almost 8-year-old daughter is going to love playing with all the pink. Look how cute. Little different sized sequins. Flower sequins. Okay, I need to keep these away from my daughter because she will use them all. Oh my gosh, so fun. All right, and then the dots. So Wild Berry, I do have a name. So this might be the color of the year. So pretty. I'm really excited about this. I love hot pink. Okay, and we've got buttons. So these are white acrylic buttons, and this is the thinner white acrylic. So I know that a lot of people, including myself, have asked for a acrylic that's thinner than we used to have, so it's not as bulky on your projects. So that's fun. There's a bunch of buttons in different sizes. And then The wood buttons have a stitched detail. So kind of like we had some stitched buttons that went with, I think it was a Stitch Together collection, but it was a whole bunch of different shapes and stuff. So this is just a pack of buttons in different sizes with different stitching on them. Some of them don't have stitching. So that is fun. Okay, another stamp and die set. Oh, adorable. I love the wood slats. Okay, so this is called Rustic Sign Sentiments. So we've got lots of thin cuts with this. We can cut out the rustic sign, the handle, the heart, the love, and where does this go to? Oh, here, and then the little heart, or the little flower. That is super cute. Okay, that's gonna be fun. And then mulberry glitter paper, which is interesting because it looks like the wild berry. There must be wild berry in here with the mulberry. And I know what mulberry is because we got a preview of it in the You Are Enough special that was for May. Ooh, look at, oh, they must have just put a whole bunch of colors in the bag. Look at that. Oh, I love glitter paper. So pretty. This is so exciting. Okay, so that is my package. Wow, this is gonna be super fun. I got the Picture My Life cards a little bit after all of the other things because they arrived to Close to My Heart's warehouse a little bit late. So I wanted to show those to you. I've already looked through these, but they are so pretty. And they're different on each side, so you can use whichever side you want. And I love how brilliant Close to My Heart was in creating a collection that can be baby, but they did such a good job of making it so versatile. So you look at this and Our New Arrival and Welcome Sweet Baby can, they look like it's gonna be a baby collection, but just wait until I get my hands on these and create cards. I love creating cards with these collections. And you turn it over and it's just really pretty pattern. So it doesn't have to be. And then we've got our little love bug, and but hey, you just cover that up with a little heart or something, and it might say little love bug, and that's going to be your card instead of our little love bug, which works better in a scrapbook page. So journaling boxes, icons, really, really pretty collection. One side can be anything, the other side more baby themed, and then this one, you know, it could go either way. Cute little fox that goes with the stamps that I got. Pretty flowers. The colors are just gorgeous. So Sweetest Dreams, I mean, you cover that up with a sticker or a Cricut cut or anything, and you've got just really pretty paper. And then look at how cute that is. Okay, so let's look at the 4x6 cards real quick. So cut that off, you got a really pretty pattern, or use this side. How cute is that mouse? Look at that. Really gorgeous patterns. I love the hearts. There's that cute fox again. I know that stamp set is going to be really fun to work with. Welcome Baby. So beautiful. So much love. I mean, that looks like a wedding card right there. Our precious baby journaling card on the day you were born. So this is totally versatile for any theme. So I will be demonstrating that. Now in my artwork that I create, it is specifically for convention. So the things that I share at my convention masterclass are going to be only for convention attendees, but I can share the still images on Instagram, so be sure to check out my Instagram page. I will link that down below, so you can be sure to follow me there. But if you did not attend Close to My Heart's convention, then you won't be able to see all the videos that I share. Okay, so I also had a chance to do swatches of these things and wanted to show you. So first off, when I first unboxed these, I thought they were all going to be the same color shimmer brush. Well, they just put them in these tubes, but they're the new colors. So this one is going to be Shortbread. This one is going to be Harbor, which I now know the names of things. It's kind of like a navy, I put navy gray, but it's actually Harbor. And then Rosemary is the new green that is in this collection. So we've got rosemary in there. This looks almost like sage, but it's either sage or the light color of rosemary. And then there's New England ivy in here too, which is the darker green, because I know that's the cardstock I got, and that's what is listed in the paper pack. All right, so I did some swatches. So this is the Harbor, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous kind of dark gray, almost navy. Depending on the light, it looks either navy or dark gray. It's just gorgeous. And then this is the Rosemary. So it's darker than sage, lighter than New England ivy, and it's just the perfect, perfect green, dusty green color. I hope my light's picking up all that shimmer. And then this is Shortbread. So it's kind of like a yellowy tan, almost like a really light yellow cream. So pretty. Okay, now the paints. So we have, at least these are the two colors of the new paints that I got, the gloss sprays. So at first when I looked at this, I thought it was just like this yellowy orange color, but look at all that shimmer. I noticed the shimmer. I was like, okay, well, I got to swatch this. So shake it up really well, because you got to make sure all of that shimmer is mixed in. And then I just unscrewed this and I used the tip to do my swatch, so you can do that. I also like to unscrew it and kind of tap on it to do my splatters, and I did do that with all the colors of our gloss sprays in addition to spraying them. So this is what that looks like swatched, and you can see that shimmer as well. Sorry, this is just my scrap paper that I did my swatches on. It's got my craft roulette parameters from a few weeks ago. Okay, so that's the really pretty color. And then there's also a swatch of the white, but it is just plain white. It is gloss, so it's shiny. So I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but you can't see it very well because it's just the same color as the paper. But it'll be great when you want to do spray or splatters on something that is darker or not white. So that is my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to follow my Instagram channel. I'll link that down below. I also wanted to let you guys know about the 31 Days of Christmas cards. This is an event that the creative design team and I are putting on. It was a popular series on YouTube last year, and we're bringing it back even bigger and better in an event format. So be sure to check out the registration link. It is down in the description below, and we hope to see you over there. Have a wonderful day.